Boy, this took forever to get to me.
Stop. Stop. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Oof. Where's my iPad? Come back. Round 2. He's back at my frickin' neighbor's house. Stop. 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 Where are you going? Where are you going? Here. Oh my God. Here it goes. Oh, I see it. I see it. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Ooh. Let's go open this. Okay, too excited. Let's go. I am so excited. I can't wait anymore. I have to open this. Yeah. Oh, I'm wondering. I'm trying to think about how I'm gonna edit this video. Let me just do the introduction. Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and I hope you are all doing well today. I have for you a little bit of a different video for me. Today I have an unboxing video. I don't think I've done a video like this before on my channel as far as like tech goes or whatever, but I have been using this. Let me show you. I have been using this ancient iPad, like 2nd generation. We're talking the 2nd iPad that ever came out. So if that'll get you an idea, it's ancient, it's old. It still works. Yes, it still works. But what happened is with this iPad 2 is that once you got past the iOS 9 upgrade, it won't upgrade anymore. So a lot of the new apps and stuff like that that are out there now that I really want to dig my hands into are only working over are only going to work if you have the iOS over 10, 11. So as soon as they came out with a new version of this 11-inch iPad, I was like, yes, I'm going to bite the bullet. I'm going to do it. Here it is. Boy, this took forever to get to me. Let me bust this right open. Here we go. Get that box right out of there. Ta-da! Yes. Oh my God, I cannot wait to get this open. Here it is. And now for the fun part. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh, here I'm trying to do it so perfectly. Okay, let's just get the rest of it off. Yeah. We're almost there. We're almost there. So this is what it looks like. Let's pull it out. This is supposed to be a pound. I don't know if it's a pound or not. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and weigh this when it all is said and done on my postage scale that I have for my office. Okay, so we are going to weigh this bad boy. Okay, it's hard for you guys to see. I'm gonna put the iPad on. 1 and 1.2 ounces. is way too exciting for me. I'm trying to be, oh, I already smudged it. All right, I'm probably gonna smudge it because I'm actually not going to, I'm not going to put my cover on it until like after this video, but I do have a cover that goes with it. I bought a keyboard that I haven't gotten yet, and I also have the Apple Pencil. So once I get this turned on and booted on, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run downstairs and grab my Apple Pencil so we can get this set up. Oh, I'm so excited. The only other thing that's in this box is just our manual, which nobody ever reads those, right? And then we have the new charging cables. So they have a different way of charging them now. It's not USB, it's USB-C and one cable. So definitely gonna have to get this out, but I have heard through the grapevine that these already come charged up like a lot, but we will just get this charger ready to go. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys was the size difference between the 9 and the 11. See, there's not really much height distance, but it's the screen availability that makes, I'm just gonna be really careful so you guys can kind of see. It's almost the same size, just a little bit bigger, of course. There's the new camera that I'm really excited to try. Okay, and of course I got one smudge on it. How do I turn this on? Top button. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna wait a minute for this to boot up. And there it goes. Hello. Hello. Swipe up to open. And we want to choose English, United States. And by the way, this is at 97%. I don't know if you can see that. Quick start. So what they tell you can do is you can bring your iPhone or iPad near it to set it up. Oh, and there. It just did it right there. How cool is that? Let's hit continue. Oh, it's gonna make me take a picture. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh, okay. Now it's finished. Oh, the passcode for my iPhone. Hurry up, I want to play. Oh, I should get my pencil out while I wait. So while this is going on, oh, it wants Face ID. Hold on. Let's continue and set up Face ID. I also picked up the second generation of the Apple Pencil. Show you that while we wait. This is just the manual, and this is what the Apple Pencil looks like. Restore from cloud data. Okay, right now I am not gonna transfer any apps or data because I want to do that. Actually, you know what? What do I want to do? So, you know, this is the big decision. Do you want to restore from iCloud, restore from Mac or PC, move data from Android, don't transfer apps and data? I think for now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say don't transfer apps and data. And that way I can move them over as I want them. Did I just literally, I don't even know if this thing's working yet. Yep, the pencil's not working yet. I have to set up the pencil. Adding my Apple Card. I just want to swipe up. There we go. Okay, so now I want to figure out how to work this pencil. I think it's gonna go here. Oh, There's where it goes. So hopefully it'll activate it, and it says, welcome. Can you guys see that? Welcome to Apple Pencil. Explore the double tap. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tools you are using. Okay, that's cool to know. So let me just see how I like. I'm afraid I'm like shaking here. I'm afraid I'm gonna drop it, but oh, this goes so fast. Oh, I can't wait to get playing with this. Oh my God. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to get through. I'm just so excited. I'm like so giddy with excitement. I was trying to be really slow when I was like opening up the box and stuff, and now I just want to play with it. So I wanted to just show you a few things with this pencil and how nice this pencil writes. We'll just open a note. This is the app this is called Notability. We'll just create a new piece of paper, and we'll choose a pencil. We'll make it purple. There we go. And then we can just, of course, this is me writing really big so YouTube can see it. But it really flows really nice. But I don't have a case for it yet. I did buy a case. It should come hopefully in a day or so, so I have to be really, really careful of it. I think I'm gonna throw it in my Erin Condren little zip planner box, or planners folio thing for now. I think that will fit this perfectly. But I'm gonna have to go for now, because what I need to do is I need to actually put the screen protector on it, wipe this down before I get any more fingerprints on it, and then play with getting all of my apps installed. Let me know if you guys are interested in me doing kind of like a what's on my iPad video. I plan on using this a lot for my planning, keeping my life organized. There's a lot of apps and stuff I can use for my business to help improve, you know, the productivity of what I do on a day-to-day business for my clients. So I'm really excited to dive in and actually start using something that's a lot bigger instead of just my phone, and instead of feeling the need to have to be on my computer all the time. Plus, it gives me something to do in quarantine. You know, one last thing before I go is I had purchased this 7-in-1 hub for the iPad, because of the fact that these new iPads have this USB-C connector that you don't have the ability to use the normal like SD card slots and lightning ports and stuff like that. So what I did was I purchased one of these 7-in-1 hubs that supposedly can just connect onto this, and I'm just gonna see how this works. It's like this. And if you want, I will put the link in the description box for this little USB hub. But it basically just, let's see, goes to, connects underneath here, and then it snaps on and actually holds in. So therefore now I have a USB port if I want it, an SD card slot, a mini card slot, and 2 lightning ports. And you know, for when you're doing things like for me, I'm thinking SD card, I'm thinking video editing, right? Well, you're gonna have the iPad like this for video editing and probably on a stand, so it's going to be right out of the way. It's not, you know, actually gonna be in your way. Or if you want, you could turn it like this and kind of, you know, use your screen upside down and keep it up on top so it's not in the way if you need to, you know, draw on something or whatever. But I'm thinking of this as just more of a temporary solution to be able to move mainly my SD card from my camera. So that was the other little accessory that I purchased for my iPad. Anyways, that is it. I am going to end my video for today. So thank you so much for hanging out with me while I open up my iPad. If you like these kind of unboxing videos, please make sure you let me know in the comments below. Again, if you want to see a what's on my iPad video, you can let me know by leaving that in the comments below. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, stay home, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye guys.